Good afternoon, friends. My name is DLS Naidu, and I am here to explain the task 2 of microcontrollers and its application. Here, our first question is to write an 8051 assembly level program to transfer a string data for an code space starting an address 200H to a RAM locating starting at 400H. The data is shown given below 0 200H. Then here the slot, serial number, registration number, name, VAT. That means here we have studied in VAT college. We have a consider like this, and using the stimulator single step to the program and examine the data transfer and the register. Here we can write the program by as given the directions here. Determine the required number of input and develop the algorithm blah blah blah. The given in report. Here the first question. The aim is to write an 8051 ALP to transfer a string data for the code space to particular RAM location using Kale software and verify the rest manually. Here the tools required is the Kale software and the algorithm is first here I have given the algorithm to write the program and this is the flowchart for the given program. That means we have to the start first and the most important step to the save the number in the db shifting to assign the address where the stores and the numbers and which at the 200 using the mo0 maniac move and to content the 440 hv, and don't forget to click view and the select the memory window after the starting the program. And this is I have given the Google Sheet link for the program. That means here we can find the flags affected. This is the Google link for our program, and he can then here you can view the flags affected or not on the program. How can we write? And here the output for each register connect containing the result a is equals to 0 into 5 and r naught is equals to 0 into 61, r1 is equals to 0 into 0 1, dptr is equals to 0 into 001, and p equals to 0. And the manual calculations is ax is equal and decimal means 34, octa is equal 42, bin means 00100010, and here the observations. And I have given the code and here Google Sheet link and you can check the code here. And this is the snip before execution, means this is the code which I have taken here 02 into L53 plus L54 19 BC 0110 V8 University I have taken. And this is the snip after execution, and we can locate the SP is equal to 0 into 00 and SP max is equal to 0 into 07, and we can here see the number and code memory assignment as 200H. Here we can see 0 to L53 plus L54 19 BC 0 and 110 VAT University. That means here we can, after the execution the code, here we can get this one and the ASIC value here C into 0 as we can memory address means here we can get 02 into L53 plus L54 VAT University. And data segment, here the data segment is given 0 into 6 into 04 and 02 into L53 plus L54 19 BC 0110 VAT University. And I have given the Google link for the interference questions. Here we can calculate how we can get the time required, and we can get the time required for the actual assemble the program, and the amount of memory required to the program is 583 bytes, and list the addressing of ALPs and list the instruction of used in ALP and the flags affected. And here we can I have given here the link. Here you can check the which flag was affected, and these are the interfere questions. As the result, the 8051 ALP2 from the memory is executed using KL software and the results are verified manually. Have given the links, can you please check that at the Google Sheets? And our second question is to write an 8051 ALP program to add the following subroutine to program 1. Single step through the subordinate and examine the raw location after the data has been transferred from the room space to into RAM, and the subordinate should be a copy data for the RAM location starting at 40H to the RAM locating starting at 6H. Here the tools required is the KL software and the algorithm And here I have given the algorithm to write the program. First and the most important step to save the number in DB for the shifting to assign the address we to store the numbers which is at 200 edge, and using the MOV may not move the content for 40 edge. Similarly, we can move them to the system. Don't forget to click the view and select the memory window after starting the program in KL software, because to we can use it. Here I have created the flowchart how we can write the program, and if by using algorithm we can use using flowchart, and we can here we can write a program, and this is the program we can in given in a Google Sheet link to know about the memory address and opens the flags affected or not. Here we can see, and the output result containing the values. See, this is the snip before the execution. That means here we can write as I have tell in the above program, 0 to L53 plus L54 19 BC 0 110 VAT university. This you can see, this you can see in KL software. And this is the snip before after execution. Here we can see, and here you can 02 into L53 plus L54 VAT university. Don't forget to save as the program as a.asm in KL software. Here the interfaces are there again, and that means I have tell the interface I have given the link, and can you please check that. This is the result. The 8051 LP4 from memory shifting is executed to KL software, and the results are verified manually. Okay, thank you.